Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon for more videos. Today, we have rounded up some wood wall decoration ideas for you. Keep watching this video until the end to learn more about these amazing designs. Though a deep earthy brown may be something of a default for modern wood wall decor, there are actually a few different variations to consider when deciding on how you want to approach modern wood wall decor for your own living space, office, halls, walls, and more. Take time to think of what colors of wood and even grains of wood will look good with the rest of your decor items, furniture, and the color of your wall. For example, dark wood or pale wood with a dark green threaded through it may make a fantastic addition to a room with pale walls and dark furniture, giving it a real pop of standout color. On the other hand, if your walls and floors are already dark and your furniture and other decorative pieces are a paler hue, you run the risk of your modern wood wall decor actually blending in and not drawing the eye as decor is meant to do. Luckily, there is practically a limitless variety of how you can mix and match wood grains and wood tones to fit with your decoration. Plenty of these choice really falls to what you want from your modern wood wall decor. Do you want it to stand out and capture the eye, or do you want it to blend in? Would you like it to match with the other wood and fabric tones in your space, or do you prefer it to stand out on its own? Deciding these factors first and foremost will help you ensure you choose the perfect modern wood wall decor items and options to fit all your dreams. One of the highlights of selecting modern wood wall decor for your living area is the sheer amount of options. Modern wood wall decor has become increasingly popular over the years, and for that reason, it can be found in many different shapes, sizes, and styles of design. For example, you might consider such pieces as a wooden sunburst with planks arranged as sunbeams, or a shiplap piece which can really complement a lot of casual seating or eating arrangements. Modern wood wall decor also leans heavily into geometric shapes, which can really be used to complement a room based on its size. For example, in a smaller space, you may use several different modern wood wall decor pieces to bring everything together, while in a larger room with a broader wall area to cover, a larger piece may be appropriate. You can also fill up a large span of blank wall by leaning into pieces that are angled or colored. This can make them seem larger than they actually are and will fill out the space without needing a pricey modern wood wall decor piece. Another thing to consider with modern wood wall decor is the theme. These days, even sticking with that modern decor style, you can often find wooden pieces to fit themes of certain rooms. For example, modern geometric shapes can be used to create a rustic feeling in certain rooms, forging a scene that may resemble mountains, trees, or other designs. I hope you were inspired to watch these ideas till the end. Which one of these ideas was your favorite? I'd love to hear from you in the comments. If you'd like to keep up to date with my latest videos about DIY projects, woodworking, metalworking, furniture ideas and more, you can subscribe us and click the bell icon for notification when we upload a new video to the channel.